Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. So in the last video you saw that I'd finished the bathroom. The plan today is to carry on with the landing. So Mum had started stripping this off whilst I was finishing off the bathroom. So I need to get all of this wallpaper stripped off. There's all up here as well. And then down the stairs. So as you'll know from me mentioning it in previous videos, wallpaper stripping is not one of my favourite jobs, so I'm really not looking forward to doing this. I didn't manage to get all of this finished yesterday because the heat from the steamer was setting off the smoke detectors, so I had to keep stopping and starting. I don't know whether I can actually pull those down, but I've not got much left to do around this part now anyway. But these walls are really not in good condition. I'm gonna have to try and hack this bit that's sticking out off and just trying to get this flat, because I think this bit is definitely going to need to be papered up this side and probably the top of the stairs as well. Finally got the wallpaper stripped. This has got to be the worst state that I've seen walls, and I've stripped a lot of walls. It's got to have been like a DIY patch-up job that someone did. I hope it was anyway, because if someone was paid to massacre these walls, they have, not good. So that bit that was sticking out, I've had to pull it off because I couldn't sort of chip away at the top layer of plaster. So I've kind of just like wedged it out. So this is going to get bonded. Bond all of this, so kind of like this section here, just to try and smooth it out a little bit, because this part of the wall does stick out a lot more. There's all these bits that stick out more. There's all bits on the edge of the skirting that need filling in, so I'll do that with bonding as well. Initially when I started doing this I was like, oh great, at least one side of the wall's plastered. Yeah, it is up to a certain point. So it's literally just like this little triangle here that's freshly plastered-ish. Plasterboard here. A mix of everything up here. So this needs patching up. There's my socks. I had to take the smoke alarm down because it was doing my head in. All of this is a right mess. See, all of that. This looks like it's just bare plasterboard. So I'm just going to have to kind of sand this down a little bit and paper all over all of that. I'm going to have to plaster this, patch up here. That's a bloody mess. So that's going to have to be sanded, I think, and filled. I don't know if you can see just like how much it sticks out in comparison to the rest of the bloody wall. So I've really got my work cut out for me here. I didn't expect it to be this bad. I knew it wasn't going to be perfect just because of the wallpaper that was up. You only really put that wallpaper up, don't you, if it's hiding something. So I'm going to get that bonding done tonight. It's actually 25 to 5 now, so I want to get that bonded because that's going to take a while to dry because it is a really big patch. So I got some of the bonding done last night. I didn't want to fill this hole in completely because it was really deep, so I've just gone over that again this morning, and also just filled in the bits at the top of the stairs. So now I'm going to go and tackle that wall. That one hasn't turned out too bad. This one is horrific because it was such a small space. It's really hard to manoeuvre around. So I'm definitely not happy with that. Even after sanding it down, obviously I'm filthy. Yesterday I tried to go and pick up some wallpaper and there wasn't the one that I wanted in stock, which was this one. I'm not sure if you can, it looks a bit bluey on here, but it's actually like silver and grey with a bit of a sparkle in it. I think like the texture will be good for hiding the bumps on the wall. And I decided to pick up some lining paper for at the top of the stairs. I'm just going to lining paper all of that and paint it in white because that finish on the plaster isn't brilliant. Picked up some satin for the woodwork and some cork for around the edges. I've got Alicia helping me today, which is fantastic because she doesn't usually help me with stuff like this, so it's nice that she's getting involved. So we're just having a bit of a break and then we're going to get back at it. So I actually got quite a lot done today. I've done most of the painting of the walls and then I decided that I wanted to go over to B&M to see if I could find some wallpaper because the wallpaper shop still hasn't got the one that I wanted in stock. I headed over to B&M and I got the wallpaper. I picked up 4 rolls. Hopefully that'll be enough, but they did have quite a lot in, so I can always go back if not. And then I picked up a couple of lampshades as well. I was sort of struggling to find some that I thought I might use again, but I quite like these ones. They're just sort of like a black wicker, £8 each, so I think they'll be fine to go up. I'm gonna eat some food and I think I'm going to actually do a little bit more painting tonight and start on the woodwork, carry on with that tomorrow, and fingers crossed get round to starting the wallpaper. today I managed to get all of the woodwork painted. So I've done the handrail, the skirting boards, the doors, all around the edges of the ceilings. And what I decided was the best thing to do was at the bottom of the stairs to get some more lining paper to put up. So I got that done as well. I was at it till about 8 o'clock last night doing that. So now that I'm looking at it, it was definitely the right decision, I think, because you can just see how much some of these bits were sticking out. So there's a couple little bits like here and here that I just need to put a little bit more paste in and push them down. But I was patching up with this. I'd asked my mum to go and get some lining paper for me, and she had to go to a different shop, and it was only a 10-metre roll, which didn't end up being enough to do everything, but I got all that bottom bit done down to here. And then because this patch sticks out quite a bit, I just put another strip down here, but that was unfortunately the last of it, so I've not been able to put any here or up here. My glasses on today so I can actually see what I'm doing. And I'm going to start with the longest piece first, which is, I measured it, it's just over 4 metres. So a 10-metre roll, obviously that's not going to go very far with those long strips, so I'm going to start off with that today. I'm not going to film this first bit because the camera's going to be getting in the way. So the papering is all done. I was just a little bit short around here, so I've actually just patched up, which isn't ideal, but it's probably only noticeable to me because I know that it's there. But it didn't seem worth going out buying another roll of wallpaper just to do a full length strip down here and down here, because once there's coats up anyway, you're not going to be able to see it. The wallpaper was a little bit of a nightmare. By the time it had the paste on it, it was actually really thin, so I did struggle with it, but now that it's up and it's dry, it seems to be like a lot tougher. So now I'm just waiting on the carpet fitter to come and I can get everything finished off. The carpet's in, so now I'm going to get on with putting everything how I want it on the landing. That stick out, so ideally this would have been fully plastered so that that wouldn't happen. And you can see where there's that difference between the plastering and the plain plasterboard. Popped this up so that it covers those bits behind there. But but this looks really nice now going through into the bathroom. So I think you'll agree this looks so much better than it did when I started. It's not ideal, the walls are still a little bit bumpy in places, but within the budget that I wanted to be working to, it just wasn't realistic to get the whole of it plastered. So I've done the best that I can without having the plastering done. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I'm very sorry for the delay with this. There was an issue with my laptop, which is now sorted. So I've not got much left to do in the house now. So I will see you again next week.